everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you some useful Google Docs basic that will help you work faster and more efficiently. First, let's create a new document. Open Google Docs by typing docs.new in the search bar. And just like that, a new blank document appears instantly. Now you can either start your document from scratch or use a template by clicking the Templates button. From here, you can choose any template you want. As you can see, Google Docs instantly opens a pre-designed document based on your selection. This is useful because it saves time and gives you a professional layout without starting from scratch. At the top left corner, click the Untitled document. Type your preferred file name, then press Enter. Your document is now renamed and automatically saved to your Google Drive. Google Docs also automatically saves everything you type in real time. You don't need to press any save button. As you can see here on the top left corner of the page, you'll see status messages like saving or save to drive. This means your work is continuously backed up, so even if your browser closes or your computer shuts down, your changes are still safe. And that's it. Thanks for watching.